everybody, same as yesterday. We're going up to Connors. Oh. You good? Hello everybody, same as yesterday. We're going up to Connors. We got Kyle with us today, so hopefully he'll be able to stick around and ride. He's on his Trail 70. A few issues it looks like. Oh, maybe not. Stalling. You good? You good? Warm up. Okay guys, we're pulling up on Connors. It is a cold day. It just snowed this morning, and we got light snow last night. It is also really cold. So we're gonna pull up into Connors and see if he's there. He said he would be out, so we'll see. Hey guys, so we just made it to Connors. He said he's gonna do a burnout with his 250. Oh, he's always up to something. Oh, in his shed? Holy crap. I didn't know you meant in your shed. Oh. Are you getting your 50 then, or what? Alright, he's gonna go change, and then we're gonna get on the trail, so I'll see you then. Such a steep hill. I am literally just wheeling. Oh, there we go. It is so bumpy. Alright, we're going this way. I can't go up that way. I don't trust myself. I'll probably just lay it down.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh. Oh. That was close. That was very close. But we good. You won't see that. I'll just cut it out. I don't know where Kyle is though. There's Connor. Oh. Whew. He has to find his own way, I guess. Where's Kyle?
I don't know, we definitely put too much oil in it though.
Yeah, a little bit.
It won't hurt it though.
No, it shouldn't.
Now after I talked with Connor, I kind of realized that something must be wrong with Kyle's bike, or maybe he fell coming up the hill. I hadn't really seen him since I started that hill climb and almost fell. And I wanted to go look for him just to make sure he was okay, and I couldn't find him coming down the hill here. So I decided, oh, he's probably up at Connor's house. So I start going down the hill again, and I go to look for him. And now that I'm coming out, I'm not hearing the engine running or anything, so I'm like, oh, maybe he's out of gas. So I come over here, and I still don't see him at Connor's house. So I decided to look up at his grandpa's, and he's up at Connor's grandpa's house, sitting up there.
locking?
It locked.
Like what? Like the how? I kind of left Connor up there, so I should probably go grab him. I left him.
Brakes aren't even engaged. It's not even in gear.
I don't know. Just ride it out maybe. Here. I'm gonna go find Connor. I'll be back.
Now I had to go all the way back up to get Connor, and that is no easy task on these little 50cc's. These ones in particular, they have sort of a bald tire on the back because they like to do burnouts on them. So here I am going all the way back up to get Connor. What a pain it was.
Oh, just wheelies. Oh my gosh, more and more and more bumps and obstacles. I swear, every time I ride here, it gets worse coming up. Oh! Gotta find a new route every time. There he is. Way up there. Tire's locking up, so
You going home?
no, he was up at your grandpa's. I don't know. I just came up to get you because you didn't follow me down, so yeah.
I'll wait until my dad goes in the garage and then they go inside to do it.
Why?
I don't know, just cause I'm all dirty.
Well, we're not gonna put it away. We're just gonna.
Oh, you still ride up there?
I think. I don't know. We're gonna see what the problem is. See if we can fix it. Oh my gosh. That's insane. I can never do that. Oh my gosh, I haven't gone this way. I probably shouldn't fly down it. Oh no. Hit the back brake. Hit the back brake. Oh. God, that is crash behind you. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's get down. I think he's coming back. Oh, he's gonna get back down. Oh, it's sticky here. Really sticky.
Either shear the key or the motor seized.
Jeez. How'd you get up here? I'll let you
I picked up the
drive
right.
that. Yeah. Why'd you go up here? Yeah.
There's no one.
Dude, this thing's awesome.
The rear tire.
I know. Yeah, that sucks. Alright, I'm gonna end it here, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.